Look at that. We saw some rotation over there. Look at that. Ooh, lightning.
Yeah, you see that lightning?
Yeah, this is my brother talking. He has a YouTube channel too. It's Oliver Weather. You can go check that out. Look at that. Man, hear that roar of thunder?
Stand like you're outside in the middle of this.
We're outside
Might
in
call
this.
us like stupid because there's a lot of lightning. We're just standing out in the middle of the road. Do not attempt what we're doing.
Yeah.
Don't do it. You did that part. I'm not doing like we're not. I'm saying don't go outside in the middle of a thunderstorm. That's all. I would just stay indoors like 30 minutes after you get thunder.
Yeah.
Like 20 minutes.
I'm watching that shelf cloud. Look at that. Make sure to like and subscribe for more updates. Bye.